Lesson 10 Part 1. First, arimas. Exist, be, referring to inanimate things. Asoko ni sukuega arimasu. There is a desk over there. Second, imasu. Exist, be, referring to animate things. Ike ni sakana ga taksan imasu. There are lots of fishes in the pond. Third, iro, various. Koen ni iro na hana ga arimasu. There are lots of different flowers in the park. Fourth, otoko no hito, man. Otoko no hito wa dare desu ka? Who is that man over there? Fifth, onna no hito, woman. Onna no hito wa Karina-san desu. That lady over there is Karina-san. Sixth, otoko no ko, boy. Otoko no ko wa anata no musuko desu ka? Is that boy over there your son? Seventh, onna no ko, girl. Onna no ko wa anata no musume desu ka? Is that girl over there your daughter? Eighth, inu, dog. Watashi wa inu ga suki desu. I like dogs. Ninth, neko, cat. Uchi ni neko ga 2 匹います. There are 2 cats in our home. 10th, panda, panda. 動物園でパンダを見ました. I saw pandas at the zoo. Grammar point 1. En ga arimasu, imasu. Arimasu and imasu indicate the existence of a person, thing, etc. Since a sentence using these simply tells the listener that a thing or person exists, the noun representing that thing or person is marked by ga. First, arimasu is used when what is present is inanimate and cannot move by itself, such as plants and object. Example, computer ga arimasu. There's a computer. Second, imasu is used when what is present is animate and can move by itself, like people and animals. Example, otoko no hito ga imasu. There's a man. Grammar point 2. Place ni en ga arimasu, imasu. First, the particle ni is used to mark the place where the thing or person is. Example, watashi no heya ni sukue ga arimasu. There is a desk in my room. Second, the interrogative nani is used when asking what is present, while the interrogative dare is used when asking who is present. Example, chika ni nani ga arimasu ka? Restaurant ga arimasu. What's in the basement? There's a restaurant.